I'm bored, so I'm gonna film out and make a cup of tea. Right. Where's the tea bag on? Oh, it's in the cup. You get a tea bag. You yeet it in the cup. You get your kettle. You fill it up. Okay, it's filled up enough. You put it on the hob. You close that. You put the lid on. Yes. You put the heat on.
6.5 hours later. 2,000 years later.
Oh.
Eventually.
Hey, Okay, so it's whistling now. That means it's done. Turn off the heat. You open that thing there. Then you get. It's too hot. Get protective hazmat clothing, and you pour in the water. Alright, you get the spoon, right? You move the cup out of the way of the other person who's doing their own tea, because everyone does their tea differently, right? Then you have to just let it sit.
Many months later.
If you want it to be strong, you just leave it to sit for ages. And then you get the spoon, and then you put it in, and you just mix this tea bag round, squish it a bit, squish it against the side of the cup, like this.
I think we all know how to make tea.
Shush!
Listen.
You mix it around a lot, like that. There. Yeah. Good. Then you scoop the tea bag out, press it against the side of the cup to get all the juice out. However, you need 2 hands for that, and I don't have 2 hands. So you go put this in bin, like that. Then you drop the spoon. You run over here. Get open the fridge. Grab the milk. Run back over. Don't fall over on the process. You get the lid off. You pour in the milk. If you put in a lot of milk, it'll be weak tea. If you put in a little,
Weak
strong tea. Yeah. There you go. You mix it up. You throw the lid at the other person who's making theirs. Then you're good. That's how you make a cup of tea. But wait, we forgot about the next part. You get your sugar, right? Then you grab the spoon. You dry the spoon in the person's hand. No, you don't. That's weird. You dry it on the tea towel, like that. Boom. Then you come over with the spoon. You dunk it in the sugar. Get a teaspoon. Slowly over. You pour it in the cup. Get it all off. Then you put going again. You get half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Put it in. Then you mix. You just mix.
I think mine looks best.
That's Dad's tea, by the way.
Yeah, no. I'm going to test it.
And then you're done. Cup of tea.